All right, the dessert diva's in the house with all things strawberry this morning.
All things strawberry.
Take us through it.
Well, if I would have been doing a special one for you, this would have been dark chocolate and bourbon.
Yes.
That's what I would have done.
But for the record, I love strawberries.
No, I know this is good. This is good. I'm in denial you're leaving. So you know if I don't do your favorite, then you're going to come back next week. So all right. So very simple. These are strawberry oatmeal crisp bars, and they're gluten-free. So see, that's good.
I like it.
You're wearing red.
Yes, I'm ready for the strawberry festival, y'all.
This is what this is for, the strawberry festival. Okay, so 8x8 pan. We put the parchment paper down. Put these little clips, chip clips on it. It makes it easier because you know sometimes you put the parchment paper in, it's hard to. David's like, no, I don't know what you're talking about.
I actually cook. You don't think I can cook?
No, I do. I know you cook, but I mean sometimes I still teach you little things like that.
Here's what I would do. I'd put butter on the pan so it doesn't stick.
Well, it does, but you know
on
what?
the potato chips.
I like it. Well, these are chip clips. These are my husband's chip clips. But come on, no, I do it. You can put butter on the pan, but it's easier to pull it out to cut it.
Got it.
Because these bars are hard to cut. That's all. All right, so we're gonna start out with two cups of strawberries. It's about 15 to 18 strawberries. So I counted them for you, just so you know. All right, so then we're gonna do. Oh, I just lemon juiced over. Okay, so cornstarch in here because these are pretty juicy, but you want the cornstarch in there with the lemon juice and the strawberries' own natural juices to provide like a thickness, like a little bit of a, a little bit of thickness.
We like it thick.
Yes,
we like it thick. I'm thick. All right. So now we're gonna do like lemon juice, and actually, David, I thought you would like this too, because you know how you love the grater.
Yes.
I do, yeah.
But this is, look at this, fancy.
I'll watch you
I'd have
squeeze
you.
it.
I know I'm gonna do. So then we're
squeeze all
gonna
in
just
there.
do that, and it doesn't get the seeds in, and you know what? I'll be darned. There's a seed right there.
You trying to choke us tonight?
I'm sorry.
This is a setup.
All right. So then
Where are we going? Where are we taking it?
I want you to be right where you're going to be. Like, all right, so stir that up, and then that's going to release the juices. Okay, so we've got a cup of old-fashioned oats here. Don't get the quick cook oats or anything like that. Just do the regular old oats. Now we're going to do gluten-free flour. So we have 3/4 cup. This is just the 1-to-1 baking. You could use almond flour in this too.
Ooh, we're getting
You stir
around.
it clockwise or counterclockwise?
You cook, I'll eat.
All right, 1/2 cup brown sugar. It's because I wax poetic about you leaving and how we're going to have cocktails. All right, so stir that up. Now we're going to do butter. You bake it into 45 minutes. They're delicious. Cheers. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
That's it.
I didn't get a glass.
Cheers.
And then you didn't give me a glass.
Oh, here. Actually, I'm not drinking. I'm not drinking it. Don't drink.
That's good.
I'm not drinking
We'll be right back.
Bye.